on to verse 2, which is known as the freeze chorus. And it's called the freeze chorus because you are going to freeze every place you would have normally done the break. So you pretty much know this second verse completely already. Now that you know the first verse of the Shim, Sham, Shimmy, we are going to move on to the second verse. And the second verse is really easy. Basically, you already know it. And that's because the second verse is exactly the same as the first verse, except everywhere you do the break, you're going to do this. And you're going to hold for those 8 beats. That's why it's called the freeze chorus. You're basically freezing. So, when you do the Shim Sham, instead of doing step, tip, step, heel step, right, left, you'll do that. When you do the tack Annie, instead of doing the break, you'll do that. And when you do the half break, the 2 times where you normally do the break, you will do that. So let's walk through the freeze chorus and put it all together. So starting with the Shim Sham, you have 5, 6, 7, stomple step, stomple step, stomple ball change, stomple step, stomple step, stomple step, stomple ball change, stomple step, stomple step, stomple step, stomple ball change, stomple touch, freeze. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, scuff, heel step, step, left, right, step, scuff, heel step, step, right, left, step, scuff, heel step, 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 scuff, heel step, 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 scuff, heel step, stomp, push, touch. 2, 3, 4, stomp, push, touch. 2, 3, 4, stomp, push, touch. 2, 3, 4, freeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, spring, step, shuffle, ball change, spring, step, shuffle, ball change, freeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, spring, step, shuffle, ball change, spring, step, shuffle, ball change, freeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There you go. That is the freeze chorus. 5, 6, 7, stomple step, stomple step, stomple ball change, stomple step, stomple step, stomple step, stomple ball change, stomple step, stomple step, stomple step, stomple ball change, stomple touch, freeze. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, scuff, heel step, step, left, right, step, scuff, heel step, step, right, left, step, scuff, heel step, 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 scuff, heel step, 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 scuff, heel step, stomp, push, touch. 2, 3, 4, stomp, push, touch. 2, 3, 4, stomp, push, touch. 2, 3, 4, freeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, spring, step, shuffle, ball change, spring, step, shuffle, ball change, freeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, spring, step, shuffle, ball change, spring, step, shuffle, ball change, freeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.